going over the Jordan Belfort breakfast smoothie. Alright, so just go over an overview of this particular smoothie. This is named after Jordan Belfort. He's a finance guru, Wolf of Wall Street, all those good things. We named it after him because it's going to cleanse you out. He was known to do a lot of drugs. This is going to clean out your kidney and your liver, coming in at 487 calories, 41 grams of protein. This is a breakfast smoothie that has a lot of mixed berries, a little bit of banana flavor to it as well. So if you're kind of like if you like mixed, berries, a little bit of a banana flavor, you're gonna love this one. And with that, let's go ahead and let's make it. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with the liquids. We're gonna start off with 4 ounces of water. Just like for Jordan Belfort, gotta stay hydrated during the day, long business days, gotta stay hydrated. Also, no calories, so it's really good there. Next, a couple ounces of cranberry juice. You can use diet, you can use the light. I'm using the full flavored one. This is really, really good for your liver, kidney, good as a detox and a cleanser. Next, 1 full banana. So the banana is going to give you mostly flavor, good long-lasting energy, as well as a little bit of things like potassium and kind of a baseline of vitamins and minerals. Next, just a couple of ice cubes. This is just going to help it cool down a little bit and give it a little bit more thick texture. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So chia seeds are really, really good for omega-3s. And I like to put them in just because it makes it a little bit fuller. You get a nice good omega-3s, good for heart health. Next, half a cup of blueberries, which are going to give us antioxidants, which are really good for fighting off free radicals, and it's good for just a whole bunch of superfood. So once again, like anti-cancer and all that good stuff. Raspberries, half a cup. These are going to provide, actually these are really good for like skin. So if you really want something that's good for the skin, raspberries are go-to. Half a cup Greek yogurt. Okay, so this provides good gut health as well as good protein, less lactose, less liquids in it, so it's going to be a little bit more creamier as well. Okay, 1 scoop protein powder. This is our main source of protein. You can use whatever protein source you want. I like BPI, good flavors, and affordable cost. Okay, and then last what we're going to do is 1 milliliter of rye essence. So this is non-alcoholic, and the flavor is to mimic rye whiskey. So this is going to give us a little bit bolder of a flavor. Think of a lot of like Canadian whiskeys that are usually rye, wild turkey, things like that. So we just put that right over the top. Perfect. And with that, let's go ahead and let's blend. Okay, 30-45 seconds. Let's go ahead and pour. So good creamy texture. Pretty decently thick. And let's go ahead, let's get a first taste test. Yeah, pretty much what you think it's gonna be. Banana, not as prominent as you think, adds a little bit of sweetness, but blueberry, raspberry kind of give a little bit of tartness. Definitely mixed berry, chia seeds a little bit in there. Yeah, this one's not quite as sweet, so if you don't want a breakfast smoothie that's quite as sweet, this is a good option. The rye whiskey kind of coming in to give a little bit of boldness to it, but it's a little bit more on the tartar side, just because of the blueberry and the raspberry. But definitely if you like mixed berry, that type of flavor, this is a great option for you. Cranberry coming through. Overall, a really, really good, solid breakfast smoothie, good amount of protein, great for antioxidants, and great as a detox. So with that, go ahead, cheers. Thanks for sticking around all the way to the end of the video. Hope you like the smoothie. Go ahead and comment down below what your favorite part about the smoothie is, your favorite Jordan Belfort quote, favorite story from him, and let me know if there's other types of recipes like this that you want me to make in the future. And with that, go ahead, giddy up.